We're going to Fashion Club. I wore my Sunday's best. I'm all dressed up. They're doing an upcycling workshop where they got sewing machines. They've brought in clothes, fabrics, shenanigans. We're gonna go mess around, throw a bunch of things around and see what we can make. And we're gonna keep up with some clubs. Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to Keeping Up with the Clubs. So yeah, let's get in there. I think it's 2:30 right now. I'm in the chaos. What are we cutting? Are we making a...
We're making a jacket.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are we cutting right now? Like the sleeve?
This is like the main part of the jacket, the front and back. Then we're gonna sew the sleeves and stuff on after we hem it.
All right. This looks like tricky.
The sequins.
And they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's our theme?
2000s pop star.
Oh, so we are going bling.
Yeah.
Okay.
The person wearing this is me. Yeah.
All right, you're our model. So you're going with the bling. You're going all in.
I do have a pair of leggings when we're wearing them. I don't know if it's gonna be just leggings or if I'll go just wear something.
Okay, so we have the bling jacket and then the leggings / skirt. What else? Is that our outfit?
I don't really know what else we're doing. To be honest.
Okay. We'll figure it out. We'll see.
Hi.
What are we working on right now?
So we have the school. Our theme is school, and we're altering a lot of jeans, a lot of pants to make them skirts, because we feel like that's a very important part of like the little schoolgirl, little denim skirts. And we're also altering this pant to have more color on it. We're gonna put these roses right here on it to add a bit more pop of color. Like, oh, she's changing uniform. She altered it.
Oh yeah, like we're in school.
So
Okay. Cute. I can't
she's
wait.
really into the baggy jean, more tomboyish kind of clothes. So I think she's really gonna vibe with this part.
We're doing comfy, casual things.
Okay. Are we gonna stick with this, or are we having a shiny theme?
It's a lot of like dark colors and like silver accessories. Maybe.
Okay. And are we going with the jeans or the sweatpants?
I still don't know. I think maybe the sweatpants.
Okay.
And the reason why I joined Fashion Club is because it really allowed me to express myself through my clothing, through the shapes and colors and patterns and accessories. And I even make my own accessories at home, which is a lot of fun. And especially doing this workshop, getting to be able to make your own clothes and to really just express yourself with other people who enjoy it is a lot of fun. And doing my makeup over here just really adds the pizzazz, the extra sparkle that fashion has. So I really love enjoying it.
What do I get out of Fashion Club? Good times, meeting good people, it's just good times, because that's what it's about. If you're not wearing what you want to wear, if you're not living the way you want to live, like, why are you doing that?
I like these.
I don't even know what that is.
It's a flower.
But, like, I know, but
What do you mean you don't know what it is?
I don't know. I don't do fashion, so.
It's a okay. See this vision with me. The flower on the flower. This is crazy. How do you even like one up this? Oh, I know. It does not match. Okay. What? There's so much going on here.